Present for sale at 3 Pines Garage. Registration ED11 PSE. 2015 Ford Transit Custom 2.2 TDCi 155 PS Low Roof DCab Limited. It has done 98,000 miles. Factory fitted crew cab. The van comes with heated seats, air conditioning, cruise control, alloys, DAB radio, 2 keys, parking sensors, Bluetooth, heated screen, storage nets, sound deadening and insulation. This crew cab is in excellent condition both mechanically and cosmetically. It's the 155 so higher output and it's the limited spec so has all the gadgets. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. PX is considered at trade value. Finance is available and warranty is included. No VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188.